I just wanna ball making plays.
Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to my channel. I am going to be putting away all of the Christmas stuff. Today I wanted to give you guys the motivation to do the same. If you are not in the mood to do it, or if you have the time to do it, today's the day to do it. The first thing that I'm starting off with is doing everything in my living room, getting trash put out, and then taking the wreath off my door. Everything that needs to be done, I've got to get done today. I'm so glad that Vlogmas is over because Vlogmas definitely takes a lot of time, attention, and hard work into the videos that you all create to put out on a daily. Vlogmas is a great idea for anyone wanting to grow their channel for sure, but it's also a lot of things to do when it comes to that, like a Vlogmas intro, Vlogmas music, Vlogmas outros, uploading daily, and of course putting tags and titles on every single video just to make sure that you get good views on your videos. So with that being said, it is the new year. I decided the other day to go ahead and take everything down the day after Christmas because I had the time. I go back to work January 7th and I decided that I wanted to be able to have some time to relax. So I took that opportunity the day after Christmas to get all of this crap taken down, cleaned up, and put away. So I'm washing the blanket that I had on the couch. Why would you, just put that in the closet for next year? Because you're gonna have to wash it either way. But being that it's been used and it's just been laying around, I wanted to go ahead and get it washed, dried, and then folded and put away into the closet. A lot of the things that I will be doing in this video is working on the living room, taking things down. I'll also be working on the kitchen, getting all of those things taken down and put away, and then just redoing my hot chocolate bar. So I will have that here in this video instead of doing a whole different video. This is one of the things that I love. I love this interchangeable welcome board. It just says welcome to our home, and I have plenty of pieces for each season that I can use. I put the snowman up until Valentine's Day, and then I'll pull out the heart. All of the countdowns have to go. All of the decor pieces that relate to Christmas have to go. They will go in the back of the closet in Sky's room just because I have more space. The thing about Christmas is once it's done, you get to see the pieces that you really didn't need this year and the ones that you would like to give away. Eventually, I need to take my bag in the room and to put everything away. I'm going to start with the ornaments first off the tree because these are the ones that were handmade or made years ago, or they're just memories for the kids that I put up on the tree. Then I'll go ahead and take off the bulbs because those are the ones that I made from TikTok's inspiration by putting 3 to 4 ornaments on a pipe cleaner, and that way it would be to where you're not putting a lot on the tree. So many things to clean, like the placemats and the actual table. So the tablecloth has been on here since I decorated back in November, and let me just say it has definitely had a lot of stains on it or spills, and it's just time to take it off, wash it, and put it away. I'm going to move all of my stuff for the hot chocolate because I'm going to do it the correct way now that the holidays are done, and just put it over in that corner area for the hot chocolate bar, and I'll show you guys that in this video. Also, the interchangeable welcome board, if you like mine, the link is in the description box down below. I can't tell you how much I love that because it gives me joy to count down to each holiday. Now that the new year has come, please comment down below if you still have your stuff up, and if you do, that's totally fine. I just decided to take advantage of my time being off the day after Christmas to get this stuff put away in order to relax and look forward to the new year. This area is typically used for the kids' snacks and like breakfast items, so I wanted to make sure that I cleaned up that area as well. So of course it doesn't really have to do with Christmas. I just wanted to get it up and organized and looking a lot better. So I'm trying to get all of the laundry put together so I can wash it all together. The candy that you guys see here is trash. I had that from last year. I just kept it as decoration. And if Target sells them again next year, I will definitely grab them and add them back to our collection. All the rugs definitely have to go. This is not something I wash because I just don't want the way that the rugs are to mess up just by washing them. And nothing really got spilt on those, so I'm just gonna roll them up and put them down in the closet for next year. The one thing that I wanted to do and need to do was to sweep and mop this area. I wanted to make sure that nobody was gonna, like be walking in that area. So eventually I need to just mop it up and get it cleaned. Other than that, I wanted to put the rugs back in the kitchen. And when I honestly went back and looked at this, that rug is supposed to go in the hallway and not in my kitchen, but we may do with being without a rug in the hallway until we find one to replace it. So when the seasons are done, I typically put up my dashes unless I choose to pull them back out. I do leave my pumpkin one up in the cabinet 24/7 just because I am still making those pumpkin waffles. Even though I'm making the pumpkin waffles, I don't necessarily have to have the pumpkin waffle maker, but it makes all the total sense. So until I get rid of the boxes from Trader Joe's of the pumpkin waffle and pancake mix, I'll just keep it up in the cabinet because there's extra space for just that one. So we got to get these dishes washed and cleaned. I got to put a new trash bag in. I just got to do what I got to do, y'all. So if you're still here rocking with me, thank you. Hopefully you're getting a lot done. And if you are, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up so far. And of course, comment down below what other type of content you guys would like to see here on my channel in 2025. I don't know about y'all, but if you do, comment down below just so I know I'm not the only one. From time to time when I'm washing dishes, I feel like the dishes never get washed the way that you want them to. So I've been adding in bleach to my dishwater for the longest now, just to say like that they got the germs killed off, X, Y, and Z killed off, especially like when people are sick. Bleach helps as well to clean stuff. And then, it just helps with the grime and stuff of like dishes. And I really feel like it also just sanitizes the dishes as well, because what else can you put on your dish that you can wash but still use eventually when it's dry, or if you wipe it off? I don't know, y'all. Comment down below. Do y'all put bleach in y'all dishwater? I bought this Miss Myers gingerbread from Target a couple of weeks ago, and Charles doesn't like the smell because he was like, it's just too much. But Miss Myers does make really good seasonal scents, and I honestly disagree with him. I'm gonna use all of my Miss Myers until the last drop, even if it's the new year. I put the gingerbread up on top of the refrigerator just so that I have like a multi-purpose spray to spray when I'm cleaning my oven or other areas. Dishes are done. I'm just simply finding a new soap to put in the kitchen because I'm replacing the peppermint ones, and the peppermint ones by Miss Myers this year for Christmas was definitely my favorite. So this is what I'm talking about with the hot chocolate area. I took everything out, put everything hot Christmas or holiday-ish away. I wanted to wipe down over here quickly before I put the stuff together for my thoughts on a new hot chocolate bar. So I have the Keurig. I'm putting out some chai tea. I'm putting out like my breakfast blend and my French vanilla Dunkin'. I'm also putting out some of the hot chocolate peppermint still. Gonna use it up and leave it there until it's all gone. I'm also putting in some peppermint crunch because clearly that's something that could be used in coffee or in the hot chocolate still. Anything Christmas wise, like I said, has to go. I tried to keep this kind of like organized, and I would just simply use this still for the peppermint straw stirrers, my frother for my Mr. Coffee ice measurer. I have the French vanilla and the eggnog left over, so I'm still going to use those. I have the caramel sauce, and then I also have the white chocolate sauce. I will still use these when I make iced coffee. So this is the area set up. I'm just simply going to light this vanilla chai candle. The last thing for me to do as I went back around the corner from cleaning up the kitchen was to finish this tree off. All I wanted to do was just simply get the lights off, get all of the bulbs put away into a bag or some type of box, and then I just wanted to get ready to put the tree back into the box and tape it up and put it in the closet for next year. Christmas was really good, and I'm so glad, honestly, that it's over. Christmas is a day for, making your kids happy, seeing the smiles on their faces, and just, seeing family and stuff like that. Typically in my family, we do gift exchange the weekend before Christmas comes, just because my mom would have to travel about 1 hour and 30 minutes here. And I just wanted to spend Christmas Day, seeing the looks on my kids' faces, and also just spending time with family inside the home. So I knew that today I needed to get up and get all of this stuff put away and cleaned up. So even if it's not fully put away in the closet today, I always have tomorrow and can get more things done. So of course, that's what I'm talking about. The next day, I had to get up and get myself situated, took my bag into the room and started just trying to get life together in the bathroom. So I still have all of the stuff. I'm using the Miss Myers Snowdrop to clean up the sink because it has not been cleaned all week. But while I'm cleaning up, might as well go ahead and get the bathroom tackled as well. I typically don't put much decor up in the bathroom just due to the simple fact that I don't really have much and I don't really go looking for a bunch of new decor to go into the bathroom. My main duties for the bathroom was just to simply do my weekly cleaning by getting the sink clean, the toilet clean, and the bathtub clean, and to take down the decor that I did have in the bathroom, which is simply just a few signs. And then the shower curtain in this bathroom stays up year round. Why? Because I don't typically change out my shower curtain unless it's the clear one. So I change that one once a month, and the red and black plaid one stays up year round unless I change it for the season of fall or winter and Christmas. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you got anything done or accomplished today. I hope that you did, and I will definitely see you guys in the next vlog.